figure out, buy me a motorcycle, wrap a pretty little frame around a telephone pole, ride her off a mountain.